I did the roundabout, and the first run on it, I guess, beat Max already, which is a good thing. So Blake here is trying to beat his own time, but I gave him credit for my run, so makes him happy, right?
Don't let me this time. I'll be bench loaded.
Hey guys, JJ Rakaza here, back again at Laser Shot booth. I'm so happy to be here because I just challenged the roundabout and I think I put up the best time so far, so it's kind of cool to do it on the second try. Basically, I'm gonna have Max do it. Game over. Bye, Max.
Let's go. I'm gonna try it a couple different ways.